Hello and welcome. We're at Furgok from Pamplona in Spain. We're at Caravan Salon. We have here a 541 centimetre long Fiat Ducato camper van conversion. This is the smallest camper van conversion you can get, where you can stand up and it is fully contained. This is Monica.
Hello everybody.
And let's have a look at this, what I could term a tiny camper.
Yes. Let's see how we can reach up to 3 people traveling and sleeping in only 540 meters.
Right, so, great.
Here we have the living room. It's only one traveling position here, so we gain much more space in such a tiny car.
Yeah.
Which is better for us for traveling, much more comfortable. The kitchen, it seems small, but you can enlarge the surface. So you have also the sink built in steel. And you have still here a lot of storage over the kitchen and also below it. Okay. The refrigerator, it's 8 liters.
Dometic, it's
Yes.
12 volts.
Compressor
Yeah.
with freezer. And a few more storage space here. And here is our electric bed. If you go to the lower position, you can reach up to 1.94 m, and it's 1.25 m wide. So it's quite big here, this one.
And there's a ladder to get into it. I mean, at this height we wouldn't be using the ladder, but if it were a bit further up.
Yes.
I think it's worth pointing out also that the bed, doesn't matter where you put it, you can actually sleep on it. It doesn't have to go to a certain position.
Yeah, that's it. In case that you are traveling with a third people here, you can set a secondary bed here in that part, so you should put the other bed a bit higher.
Yeah.
And you can choose the perfect position for both of you.
Yes.
For example, this one.
Yeah.
Or maybe a bit
Up.
higher.
Yeah. So we've got this unit here, which is used because of the shape of the vehicle, which goes up a bit like that.
Exactly.
Indeed, we could perhaps even keep this below.
Yes,
Or is that,
of course.
yeah.
If we want, we can live below or even in that part of the storage.
Yeah, storage over
The
here.
cabin.
Oh, and I've just turned the lights off by sitting on them. Yeah, I do that often in my own vehicle.
Some storage inside of the bed structure.
Oh, that's a good idea.
A big one.
Yeah.
And once you have waked up and you want to leave the rest of the day, just lift up the bed. And you gain all the space here for your stuff, your trunk, or maybe if you're driving with some friends, you can also access to this part for other purposes.
Yeah, because I saw with Antonio, the YouTuber, who he had an office in this part which you made for him.
Yes, that's it. We have the option of customize some aspect. For example, for Antonio, he did have a huge screen for his YouTuber work, as usual.
Yes, I've only got a small screen. I'm not as big as Antonio.
Well, you are both very good at it. And well, here's a multi-purpose space for whichever the customer want to do here. And of course, we have our own system of bathroom here.
Okay,
in the middle of the van.
Okay, so let's have a look at that.
Here we can open the door, close and close again. And we have the shower tray here. The curtain is the special one, antibacterial material and weighted here. So you can create a closed cabin. Putting here with a magnet. Do you want to come in?
Oh yes, certainly. That seemed like a good offer.
I will close you here.
Yeah.
So you can check the.
So I'm locked in here. So you can see me in the mirror. You can see how much space there is. But bear in mind, this is a 541 centimeter vehicle, and look at all the space around me. And as this curtain won't stick to me, that's a rather positive feature in my opinion. Obviously I wouldn't normally be in the shower with my shoes on. Very good.
Are you clean?
I hope so. I was a bit worried about getting locked in there for the night.
So once you have finished, we can get the curtain here back. And in case that it's wet, we can store it inside of the shower.
And the plug is down there. It probably would be wet.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's great. I think that's really fantastic. That the putting the wet thing in like
And here we have
that.
the sink with the faucet. It's used for both of them, for the shower also.
Yes.
And finally, we have the potty.
Toilet. Yeah, from Thetford.
The chemical Thetford.
Yeah.
This one you can move if you need.
Yeah. That's really clever. And also the cassette though would come out this way.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, that makes sense because of putting it the other way is inviting problems.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here, once you have finished, close the door, close again, and you get back the whole space for the rest of the day.
Yes. That's very good. I also note that we've got some. Oh no, the water tank's down here, isn't it?
Yes, but now it's closed during the fair because.
Oh no, stop people messing around.
Crazy.
Yeah. No. I
But yes,
understand.
there is 125 liters here.
Yeah. Very good. Super. Now, how long have you been producing this model?
Wow, we have been building this model. I think that from the very beginning.
Oh really?
Yes. Even we have been building 5-meter one.
Yes.
With the same system, and it was a very nice model, but the chassis doesn't exist
No, it doesn't
anymore.
exist anymore. Yeah.
So it's a pity, but we at the moment this is the smaller one that we can propose for the people.
Yes, no, I think this is, for me, I think, okay, you've got a 541 centimetre long, you can almost get it in a normal car. In fact, you can because you've got the overhang at the back. And so that's one very positive thing. There are people who think that you can go in this camouflage camping in the city and things like that.
Yes.
Well, for a city camper, you could just about do it without being too obvious. And but so for me, I think the thing about parking is really important because when you've got bigger vehicles, you're beginning to lose so many possibilities.
But this is a very nice option for those who want a camper van full equipped, but not such a big car.
Yes. No, it's very nice, very attractive. Super. So, thank you very much. There'll be some links below to other Furgok vehicles, which you can see these innovations in action in other layouts. But for the moment, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye bye.